Hi students. So in the previous session we discussed about the problems of first and second. So today I am going to explain the problems of third question. See, all of you see here. First one, find the value of, that is the first question. Here we are going to solve. Okay, and this 3 raised to 0 right as it is, and this one it is just like a raised to minus m. Okay, so using this law we have to simplify this one. It becomes 1 by 4. Okay, you don't write 1 here, plus 1. Okay, and remaining right as it is. So why we did the law like this? Here you have write the reason. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. So using this law we have to simplify this one. See the next ones. This one I am going to write 1, because if any base it has a power as 0, that the value of that exponent becomes 1. Okay, remaining right as it is. Next we have to simplify both these. Here the denominators are different. Denominators are different. It means here we have to find the LCM. The LCM of 1 and 4 becomes how much? It is 4 becomes. Okay, 1 4s are 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 and 1 1s are 1. Okay students, and remaining right as it is. Okay, and this one becomes how much it is? It becomes 5 by 4. Okay, 4% becomes 5 by 4, 3 raised to square. And the next step, just a minute students, it is a 2 raised to 2, not 3 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2, and this is also 2 raised to 2. Okay students, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2. See the next, 5 raised to 4 into this one, the value of 2 raised to 2 becomes how much? 4 becomes. Okay, and after simplification, 4 ones are 4 ones are, we have answer as a 5. So this is the first one. See, from this step students, I am telling, from this step you may do another method. How? You may convert this 4 as a exponent. It becomes 2 raised to 2. Okay, 2 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 2. So it means using the law a raised to m division, a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus m, you may also solve this one. Okay, so you may do any one method students. Okay, you may convert this 4 as a exponent. It becomes 2 raised to 2. Understood? So using the law a raised to m division, a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus m, you may also solve the remaining steps here. Okay students, so this is the answer for the first problem. Let me solve another one. See students, here we have to make the reciprocal of this fraction. It becomes 2 by 1. 1 by 2 means 2 by 1 becomes. Okay, when we make a reciprocal of this fraction, here the negative power becomes positive. Okay, next here also we do the same, 4 by 1. Okay, 2 2. Okay, so you don't consider about this 1. Okay, if 1 comes in the denominator, there is no consideration needed. Okay, so here I am going to write 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2 and 4 raised to 2. Okay, it becomes 4. 2 raised to 2 means it becomes 4, 9 and it becomes 16. When we multiply this 4 2 times, it becomes 16. So after adding all these, we have answer as a 29. 16 plus 4 plus 9, 29 become. So this is the answer for the third problem. Let me solve another one. See the one more problem of this third question students, all of you here. Okay, equals. So here I am make a reciprocal of this fraction. It becomes how much? 3 by minus 2. Okay, when I make this reciprocal, it becomes positive. It becomes plus 2. Okay students. Okay, and here I am going to write this 2 as it is. Okay, here we have to write the reason, because a raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. Okay students, next flower bracket. Okay, and next step is that a raised to m bracket raised to n. So using this law, next step I am going to make a simplify. Okay, that is 3 divided by minus 2. Okay, 2 into 2. Okay, there is no need to put this flower bracket students here. Okay, here we have to write the reason. A raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Okay students, so the next 3 divided by minus 2 bracket raised to 2 to the 4. Okay, so the next step is that a by b bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. So using this law, now next we have to make the simplification of this. 3 raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4, because a by b bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Okay, students. So when you multiply this 3-4 times, we have this answer as a 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, and this one minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, it becomes plus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So this is the answer for the fifth problem. So students, this third question contains total 5 problems. I solved 3, and remaining 2 problems you have to solve in home. They are the homeworks. Let me solve the next problems. See the fourth problem, students, all of here evaluate. Okay, here first step is that this one I am going to write like this. Okay, because a raised to minus m divided a raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. Okay, and this one I am going to write as it is. And again this one also I am going to write as a 2 raised to 1 divided by 2 raised to 4. Here I am going to write the reason, because a raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to plus m. Okay, and the next step is the students, this one I am going to write as a, see here, 1 by 8 I am going to write as a 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 means it is nothing but 8 na, students. Okay, remaining I am going to write as it is, 1 divided by 2 raised to 4. So next step is the students, so this one I am going to write as it is, and this 5 raised to 3 also. See, this 2 raised to 3 I am going to write downside. Okay, and when I make this reciprocal, I mean when I do this 1 by 2 raised to 4 reciprocal, this 2 raised to 4 goes upside. It goes upside. Understood, friends? Okay, see the next step, this you don't when I multiply both these, it becomes 5 raised to 3, and this one 2 raised to 4 minus 3, because a raised to m division a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m division a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, students. So 5 raised to 3 into 2, 2 raised to 1. Okay, 4 minus 3, 1 comes. 1 you may write or not. Okay, and when you multiply this 5 or 3 times, we get answer as a 125. See here, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 has a 25, 25 has a 125. Okay, 125 into 2, how much comes here? It comes 250. So this is the answer for the fourth first problem of fourth question. So this fourth question contains total 2 problems. I solved one, and remaining 1 problem, it is a homework for all of you. Let me solve the next problem, students. See the fifth problem, students, all of you here. Find the value of m for which 5 raised to m division 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. See here, all of you students. Solution: 5 raised to m division 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Here, first I am going to write this one as a 1 by 5 by 3, and remaining I am going to write as it is. Okay, because a raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. Okay, students. And the next step is that this is a multiplication of fraction like this. Okay, sorry, division of the multiplication. So this one I am going to write as it is, and this one I make a reciprocal here. Okay, 5 by 3 divided by 1. So when I make this reciprocal here, the division sign disappears, and in that place multiplication sign will come. Okay, and remaining I am going to write as it is. Okay, students. So the next step is that here 5 raised to m into 5 raised to 3. You don't consider about this one, is equal to 5 raised to 5. Here 5 raised to m is equal to, I shift this 5 raised to 3 along this equal sign. What it becomes? It becomes division, because the 5 raised to 3 is in the multiplication. Na? So when I shift this 5 raised to 3 along that equal sign, it becomes division. Okay, sorry students, this is a 5 raised to 5. Okay, and this one comes downside, it becomes 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to m is equal to 5 raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to m is equal to 5 raised to 5 minus 3, because using the formula a raised to m division a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, 5 raised to m is equal to 5 raised to 2. Here 5 equals, and what is the value of m comes here, students? M is equal to 2. So this is the answer for the fifth problem. Okay, students, let me solve the next problems. See the sixth question, students, all of here evaluate. Okay, all these problems are similar to that of this one also. I am going to write a reciprocal. It becomes 3 by 1. Okay, and this one also 4 by 1. Okay, students, 4 by 1. Okay, and this one I am going to write minus 1 as it is. Here 3 by minus 4. Okay, minus 1. So the answer comes as a minus 1, because 4 minus 3 1 comes, and bigger sign has a minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So the next step is that when I make this reciprocal, just a minute, students, here we have to write the reason here. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. Okay, and the next step is that this one also I am making here using the law a raised to minus m. Okay, it becomes 1 divided by minus 1. Okay, because here a raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. Okay, plus minus plus division minus comes minus 1. Okay, the answer is minus 1. Understood, students, all of you, this one? So this is the answer for the sixth problem. Okay, students, so this sixth question contains total 2 problems. I solved one, and remaining 1 problem, it is a homework for all of you. See the seventh problem, students, all of you here simplify. See here, first I am going to write this 5 as a 5 raised to 2. Okay, it means 5 is a 25. Okay, and this one I am going to write like this, 1 divided by t raised to 4. Okay, and next this one as a 1 by 5 raised to 3. Okay, using the law a raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. Okay, students, and this one 10 I am going to write as a 2 or 5 into 2. Okay, and this one also I am going to write as a 1 divided by t raised to 8, because a raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. Understood, all of this one? So the next 5 raised to 2 into this one, right as it is, and this t raised to 8 comes upside. Okay, t raised to 8 comes outside, and this 5 raised to 3 right as it is, 1 by 5 raised to 3 right as it is. Otherwise you may shift this 5 raised to 3 also upside. Okay, so remaining you write as it is. It means 5 into, just a minute, students, 5 into 2 right as it is. Okay, and this t raised to 4 right downside, because here we have 1 and t raised to 4 comes downside. Okay, students, and the next step is that this here we have tried to shift this 5 raised to 3 upside, 5 raised to 3. Now make the simplification, students. Using the a raised to m into a raised to n, it becomes 5 raised to 2 plus 3. Okay, and you don't when I multiply this both these, it becomes only t raised to 8. Okay, and remaining both these right as it is. It means 5 into 2 into t raised to 4, because using the law a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, students, so the answer comes how much here? 5 raised to 5 into t raised to a divided by 5 into 2 into t raised to 4. Next step is that see, students, here a raised to m division a raised to n, because here the bases are same, na? Here also a raised to m division a raised to n, here also bases are same. So what comes here? 5 raised to 5 minus 2. Okay, students, 5 raised to 5 minus 2 into t raised to 8 minus 4. Okay, and this 2 write as it is. Sorry, this one 5 raised to 5 minus 1 students. Okay, because here we have power as a 1 na? 5 raised to 5 minus 1. So how much comes it is 5 raised to 5 minus 1 means how much comes it is a 4 comes. Okay, and this t raised to 4 write as it is divided by 2. Here we have to multiply this 5 4 times. How much comes, all of you see here? 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125, 125 5 is a 625. 625 into t raised to 4. It means you write including all these, and this one 2 write as it is. So this is the answer for the 7th problem, students. So I hope all of you understood this, understood all these problems. This seventh question contains total 2 problems. I solved one, and remaining one problem, it is a homework for all of you. Okay, students. The remaining problems, they are all homework for all of you. You solve them properly. So in the next video, I am going to solve the next problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.